Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to securely delete messages on Google Chat. So this is a tutorial for iOS. So you can open the Google Chat or your Gmail account and select the chat conversation or chat message that you want to delete. For example, it's delete. And on at the top, next to the person names, you can click and select the delete composition. Just click delete. Or if you want to delete the certain message, you can click the chat message and select the message that you want to delete. For example, just click on this message, for example, and select delete. So the message deleted. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.